Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jasmari, and in today's video I'm gonna be showing you guys how I created this fall makeup look for beginners. So the first thing that I'm doing is my eyebrows, and if you watch my makeup tutorials you know that this is the first thing that I always do. So I'm starting off by outlining my eyebrows and filling it in. After that I'm gonna use the Benefit Cosmetic Give Me Brow Gel, and it's in the shade Warm Golden Blonde. If you are new to my channel and you enjoy watching beauty and lifestyle content, make sure you subscribe and turn on your notification bell to be notified when I upload. And if you're not new, welcome back to another video. So now I'm gonna clean up my eyebrows using the Morphe concealer, and I'm using a small flat Wet n Wild brush. And now I'm using the same Morphe concealer to prime my eyelids. And you want to do this so that your eyeshadow can come out as vibrant. Now I'm gonna set the concealer using this Nika K Perfection powder. For eyeshadow, I'm using the Wet n Wild Rosé in the Air palette. And I'm gonna take the shade at the bottom and I'm gonna put it above my eyelid. And at first I was packing on the color and then blending it out, and I'm going in circular motions. Next I'm taking the orangey shade and I'm gonna blend it in with the first color that. Next I'm taking the bronze shade and I'm gonna put it in the crease of my eyelid. And I'm gently going in circular motion. I'm taking the same Morphe concealer and I'm cutting my crease. Next I'm taking the dark pink shade and I'm gonna pack it onto my eyelid. Now I'm using this liquid eyeliner by Betty Boop and Ipsy, and I'm doing like a little eyeliner across my eyelid. Now I'm gonna apply the Brooklyn and Bailey mascara, and it's like a natural mascara. I use this mascara almost all the time. So now I'm using these Meek lashes, and I stole these from my mom, and this is what they look like. And I'm using the glue by I Envy. I think that's what it's called. So now I'm using the It Cosmetics face primer, and I'm applying it to my face. It's like a clear primer. It's like a liquidy primer. Now I'm using the Believe Beauty Skin Finish Foundation, and it's in the shade Porcelain. And this is like a natural skin finish foundation. Like when you wear it, it looks like your skin. So I'm using the same Morphe concealer, and applying some on my under my eyes, on my cheek, and on my chin, and on my forehead. I'm gonna set my entire face using the Airspun translucent powder. I'm gonna be using the Ofa Cosmetics bronzer to bronze my face and contour. Now I'm using this Broadway Colors blush palette, and I'm taking the two shades that's at the bottom and applying it to my cheekbones. This liquid gold highlighter that I got in my Ipsy bag, and applying it to my cheek. Now I'm gonna be wearing this coloring lipstick and Nika K lip liner. So here's the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hopefully it was helpful. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like down below, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe and follow me on my social media, and I will see you guys in my next video.